Today, we're diving into the world of smart home cleaning with the Honiture Q6 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, a cutting-edge device that combines vacuuming, mopping, and sweeping into one seamless experience. This innovative robot vacuum features a 4-liter auto self-emptying station that empties in just 20 seconds, requiring a dust bag replacement only once every 70 days, making it ideal for pet owners and families with children. Equipped with advanced LDS litter navigation and 26 sensors, the Q6 Pro efficiently maps your home, avoids obstacles, and plans optimal cleaning routes, while its powerful 4,000 pascal suction ensures a thorough clean every time. With its 5,200 mAh battery, this robot can run for up to 250 minutes, covering an impressive 400 square meters, and it automatically recharges and resumes cleaning where it left off. The Q6 Pro offers 4 versatile cleaning modes, including automatic, selective, spot, and edge cleaning, and allows you to customize settings for different rooms, such as suction power and water volume. Plus, it can store up to 5 maps, making it perfect for large households, and it comes with everything you need, including washable and disposable mops, a side brush, and a HEPA filter. Backed by a 2-year warranty and 24/7 after-sales service, the Honiture Q6 Pro is your ultimate partner in maintaining a spotless home with ease and efficiency.